Welcome to Everything's Major. Everything's Major. Everything's Major. Hey guys, welcome to Everything's Major. Since summertime is approaching, let's get into this new limited addition to the Ciroc family, Summer Citrus. I normally don't drink that much, but I love me some delicious frozen daiquiris. Since we're doing everything major, you know I had to add in some Major Melon by Mountain Dew. I wanted to create this beautiful ombre look, so I poured a half a cup of Major Melon into each glass and froze it. Then I combined 3 cups of ice, a cup and a half of Tropicana pineapple mango juice, and a cup of frozen pineapples. Blend well together until all incorporated. Then pour about a half a cup to a cup of Ciroc in the blender and blend well. Now, for my saints, remember to skip on the alcohol and make yourself a Shirley Temple. Slice up a few orange slices for garnish. You know we have to keep it cute. Pour and enjoy. I'm really feeling this new Summer Citrus. It's very smooth and mellow, not too strong or overpowering. It's beautifully infused with oranges and grapes, which blends well with other fruit juices. This will be my go-to stapler for the summer. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and please drink responsibly. Be nice, take good care of yourself and each other. I'll see you next time. Everything's Major. Everything's Major. Everything's Major. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at everythings_major. Everything's Major.